Search engine optimization. Let the client find your business in the search engine. As an entrepreneur, you are looking for effective ways to reach your customers. Ask yourself, how do you search for information about products and services? The answer is simple. You search on Google. If nearly 5 billion people worldwide use the internet, then Google is the most visited website in the world. It processes nearly 4 billion searches daily. 72% of consumers visit stores as a result of Google searches. As an entrepreneur, you cannot ignore the search engine optimization needs of your website. First, it is important to note that positioning your business in a Google search engine requires some specialist knowledge and skills. These include website design, website software, updating the content with the relevant keywords, internal and external linking to the website, advertising campaigns, and many others. This complexity has been taken into consideration when preparing this topic. We have included key information so that any business can improve their SEO without a large investment of time and finance. Search engine optimization is the process of optimizing a website for search engines such as Google. The task of SEO is to prepare a website so that potential customers can find it easily using key search words. SEO organizes a website so that indexing robots can scan it to find relevant keywords. What effect are we aiming for in the search results? The aim is to use the right keywords so that information about our website appears on the first page of Google search results. What is your place on the Google podium? Okay. Today, Google search may not display your website on the first page of search results. Where to start? Check the current visibility of your website in Google's results. Look at your competitors' websites and analyze how high their websites rank in the search results compared to yours. Consider changes that you could implement on your website to improve your search results. What are keywords? These are words or phrases that customers type into the Google search engine to find products or services. These keywords should help them find your website. Keywords cannot be general. They should be very specific. If, for example, you manufacture or sell thermoses that have unique functionality and design, then these are the keywords that should be combined with the word thermos. This will give your website a higher position on the search results pages and improve your brand and competitive advantage. Thermos applies to all thermos flasks. If you simply use thermos as a keyword, then a lot of web pages will be displayed on the search results. If you use tourist as a keyword along with thermos, it determines which group of customers the product is targeted at. If you use the keyword climbing along with thermos, then it defines even more precisely the target customer. Remember to find out and use the keywords the customer will use. Otherwise, if you and your customers use different words about the same product or service, then your SEO efforts will be wasted. Content plays a key role in building your SEO. Prepare a list of keywords and use them in the content on your website and in other promotional texts relating to your website. Be consistent in applying them, but don't overdo the number of keywords, especially in the headlines. What's more, create content that your customers like, known as expert texts, and which are timeless, known as evergreen. If you do this, then Google positioning will reward you by presenting your website high on the search results page. How can website users help with positioning? Users can help in several ways. With a well-designed, interesting website, the user will not leave the website on the first page but will stay to read the content on the website. Staying longer on a website really helps website positioning. If a user leaves a comment, a rating, or refers your webpage on other social media, then this is even better for your website ranking. This element of user involvement should be taken into account when designing your website. Include appropriate tools such as forums, comments, ratings, sharing on social media, and blogs on your website. What else influences SEO website positioning? Check or ask the website developer about the following, preferably before you start programming the website. Page loading time. Adapting the website to mobile devices. Implementation of a secure protocol. Presence of a sitemap. The occurrence of errors on the page. Presence of the robots.txt file. Duplicate content. Website mismatch in any of the above will result in poor SEO, and the website will be positioned low down in the search results or not at all. Refresh the content. Your website needs to update its content regularly. Remember that if your business doesn't change, it doesn't adapt to the customer's needs. However, if the text on your website does not need to change significantly, then think about adding a blog that can be updated regularly. Each new publication on the blog is an opportunity to keep your website in a high position in the Google search engine. SEO support with other Google tools. It is worth saying that the Google search engine is the most popular search engine in the world. It is these search pages that are important in business, because it is here customers search for products and services. It is therefore no wonder that Google promotes those websites that use the tools they have created. Tools such as Google Workspace. Some of these tools are free and some are paid. How do links support the positioning of your business website? Generally, they maintain interest in your website or redirect users from other websites to your website. Internal links are when you link to your own internal web pages. External links point users from a website to other websites. Websites with lots of external links pointing to them tend to rank higher in search results. External links are valuable because Google and other major search engines see them as evidence that the web page is credible, valuable, and useful. Thanks to this, your website acquires new customers and allows you to keep existing customers. Without statistical information, you will not know what or which actions are the most effective in improving your SEO. Use Google Analytics and check the basic information in specific time periods. How many users visit your website? How much time do they spend during one visit? What content do they read? How do they pass between pages? Which external websites direct users to your website? Which pages do they leave from? Thanks to such information, you will know which SEO support activities to continue and which to give up. If you followed the black texts at the bottom of the presentation pages, you already know that search engine optimization is a fairly complex process. If well planned and implemented, it can bring positive effects in the form of increased traffic and sales. Almost every SEO action pays off. However, the effects of the actions will not be immediately visible. Patience is what counts in SEO. But if the entire campaign is well prepared and implemented, your company will definitely benefit from improving your SEO. Thank you for your attention and good luck with search engine optimization.